What's up guys, Adam at Time Warp here. A ton of people have reached out to me and asked how you spray both the flat and the gloss clear coat on the same panel. Well, I'm getting ready to do that here, so stick around and I'll show you how. Alright, we have this in Clearcoat right now and it's sat about 2 to 3 days to make sure it's good and dry, so that way we're able to tape to it without leaving an imprint or something like that. Everything that's getting the satin clear coat finish needs to be sanded or scuffed down. I'm going to grab some Limeline 16th inch fine line tape. And what I'm going to do is that's where I'm going to split up where the gloss meets the satin clear coat. You don't need to worry about where they cross over into the black, the fine line. We're just going to mask that up, so you don't need to cut your edges there. Where it does go into the gloss, we need to cut the edges, so it's really important not to press too hard to cut into your clear coat. All right, I'm going to take some red Scotch-Brite and carefully scuff up the areas that I wasn't able to get to earlier. While we're at it, I'm going to add some drop shadows to give these graphics some depth. Alright, I'm going to mix up some FC21 flat clear coat from House of Color. This stuff's available on Amazon. You'll find the link down in the description. I'll also have it pinned to the top of the comments. I'm mixing this at a 6:1 ratio with the hardener. And I'm going to add a splash of urethane reducer to help the clear lay a little flatter. I'm going to lock on my 1.3 spray gun from Limeline. And then I'm going to apply 2 to 3 medium to light coats with a 5 to 10 minute window in between. It's important to understand that this isn't applied like regular clear coat. It goes on very thin and very light. It doesn't take much material to get the job done. If you got any value, smash that like button below. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up down in the comments. I'm here to help you. Thanks for watching.